Been looking for Snore pillow reviews? Well, I decided to weigh in and give you all my 2 cents worth over on my site. I just put up a new post on the topic, and I give some Snore pillow reviews, so go check it out. You and your spouse can thank me later. Sleep is not overrated. You would be surprised how much sleep, or the lack thereof, can affect, well, everything. Getting a good night's sleep should be something both of you get. You feel me? I know you do if your loved one enjoys their sleep way too much and you need yours, right? Read my Snore Pillow reviews and you'll be on your way. Click the link in the description below to get them right away, okay? Bye. Also, for other health-related information, be sure and check out the rest of the site. I have all kinds of information about health news. There's health articles on everything from, how to take care of your hair and your skin, all the way down to all kinds of stuff that you may be interested in. Snoring in particular, getting rest, sleep apnea. There's all kinds of information that you can grab while you're there. Be sure and check it out. Also, visit us on Facebook, Twitter, and Google Plus, and obviously on YouTube. Since you saw this video, we're on YouTube. We've got a lot to offer and a lot of information. My name is Carrie Poole, and I really appreciate the opportunity to meet you if this is your first time meeting me. So you guys take care. Bye.